Viral animal videos are taking over the internet. From animals doing human activities, which are both funny and entertaining, to millions of viewers, these clips are getting massive engagement. However, one trend stands out the most: orange cat videos. TikTok accounts like @orange.cat899 have gained millions of followers, with some videos surpassing 100 million views, all thanks to these AI-generated orange cat animations. Want to create your own viral orange cat videos? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to make them using AI. By the end, you'll be able to generate, animate, and edit your own viral cat videos for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. So let's jump right in. Step 1. Generating a prompt from an image. The first step is to generate a prompt for AI image generation. How do we do this? We take inspiration from a viral orange cat video on TikTok. Find a trending orange cat video. Screenshot the key scene. Use an AI tool to convert the image into a text description. For this, you can use ChatGPT, Gemini AI, or another AI tool. Simply upload the image and ask, provide an image prompt for this image in detail. Repeat for each screenshot to get detailed prompts for every scene. Step 2. Generating AI images using Ideogram. Now that we have detailed prompts, it's time to generate high-quality AI images using Ideogram.AI. Go to Ideogram.AI. Copy and paste your image prompt. Set aspect ratio to 9:16, perfect for TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Hit Generate and choose the best image 5. Save and organize your images. Example, name them Image 1, Image 2. Repeat this process for all the scenes you want in your video. If you've reached this step, please show us some love by subscribing to our channel. Your support means everything. Step 3. Animating the images using PixVerse. Now that we have our AI images, let's bring them to life with PixVerse AI. If you create a new PixVerse AI account, you get free credits to generate animations. So take advantage of that. Go to PixVerse AI 2. Upload each AI-generated image. In the prompt box, copy and paste the image prompt, hit Generate, and watch the cat come to life. Step 4. Getting your music from Pixabay. Now let's add background music to make our video even more engaging. Pixabay offers free, royalty-free music and sound effects that you can use without copyright issues. Go to pixabay.com, search for cat sounds or background music. Download a track that fits your video's theme. Now we're ready for the final editing stage. Step 5. Editing and compiling the video. Now it's time to edit and compile your final video. Editing steps using CapCut or TikTok editor. 1. Import all AI-generated animations. 2. Arrange them in sequence to follow the storyline. 3. Add smooth transitions between clips. 4. Insert your chosen music. 5. Export the video in 9:16. Portrait mode. Now upload your masterpiece to TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. And boom! Watch as your video goes viral with crazy engagement. That's it, guys. Now you know how to create viral AI-generated orange cat TikTok videos, just like at orange.cat899. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more awesome content.